Standing in the moment, waiting for the end. There's gonna be a lesson coming round the bend. Every day I wonder, looking for a thrill. Can you hear the thunder rolling down the hill? I can't breathe unless you look at me and follow. I can't breathe unless you look at me. Are you satisfied with your life? When you're up at night, do you feel alright? Can you hear the thunder rolling down the hill? Are you satisfied? Are you satisfied? Are you satisfied? Are you satisfied with your life? When you're up at night, do you feel alright? Can you hear the thunder rolling down the hill? Are you satisfied? Are you satisfied? Are you
We can find our desires. Ooh, but when we start making, we get ever so hard. Ooh, whether we like it or not. They say we can love, but we trust. But what is love without lust?
From the Casio to the Rollie, no brands to the Stony. From the bus to the Porsche. So can't you ever tell the nigga about sauce? Nah, from the Casio to the Rollie, wearing no brands. To the Stony, from the boss to the Porsche. So can't you ever tell the nigga about sauce? Thank God for the change. Oh man, so much shit has changed, yeah. I thank God for helping us get here. Without you, I swear I've been nowhere. Thank God for the change. Oh man, so much shit has changed, yeah. I thank God for helping us get here. Without you, I swear I've been nowhere. Came to the country and my mom was homeless. That's why I grind so hard in case you didn't notice. So I had to focus, camera lights and showbiz. Stuck in bread like Hovis, you already know this. I'm grinding for the big fat checks, no change. I'm about to put my mama in a whip and it's arranged. The only time I focused on the chicken when she giving a nigga the good brain. Mommy came in from Niger to London. She don't get easy where she coming from. She came here to live a better life. That's why I'm married to the money, that's my fucking wife. Ain't no one in the room that can test me. I'm married to the money, that's my bestie. I do the grind for my mama. That's why I stacked up on the euros and the dollars, yeah. Said the weather's bipolar, how the streets only get colder. And we're all getting older, but some don't make it like soldiers. Now, all these gangs are beefing, what over? I can't wait till this beef thing is over, because your mom didn't come in to see us on the road. And no one gives a fuck about the tools you hold. If that's what you wanted, you should have said back then. And bro, I guarantee she would have left for you back home, yeah. Sweet mother, I no go forget you for all the suffer that you suffer for me. Over time you working 9 to 9 for supper for me. But things have changed and you deserve something from me. And nothing paying back your mama is the biggest respect. I overall on the whip, bro, that's a way bigger flex. Just to see your mama smiling with a watch full of diamonds. What she want, you know I'm buying, yeah. Thank God for the change. Oh man, so much shit has changed, yeah. I thank God for helping us get here. Without you, I swear I've been nowhere. Thank God for the change. Oh man, so much shit has changed, yeah. I thank God for helping us get here. Without you, I swear I'll be nowhere. From ever to the charts, man, it's crazy how the shit changed. Used to ride the bus and now I'm riding in a big range. We ain't never static, fully automatic, we was moving forward. You will never see the gear change skirt. Gucci on my collar and my shoe on my shirt. Bad beat like Rihanna when she work. She listen when I tell her take it off, cause you know my pocket's fatter than Charlie's Sloth.
Call me impossible, cause I get that a lot. If I'm irrational, then just tell me to stop. I could be cynical, and then I just blame it on love.